Hello students, and as I have promised, this is the second video of ACET examination 2017. I'll be solving the questions. Let's start with question number 14. This question has P equal to 1, 2, 3. So this one, now how to say the row into column. So how many rows you can see? I can see 3 rows and 1 column. So it's a 3 into 1 matrix. In the rank of P into PT, where PT denotes the transpose. So 1, 2, 3 here and 1, 2, 3 here. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 9. If you're confused, remember that 3 into 1 matrix and there's a 1 into 3. So the resultant must be a 3 into 3 dependent on these two. Okay, so you just proceed and find it. Now the determinant value of this 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6. You just take 2 common from this one. So this is again 1, 2, 3. So the determinant value as 2 rows are identical is 0. So all the 2 into 2 submatrices also have determinant 0. So rank is 0. That's it. So very easy. If you just want to cross check, for example, you just take it as 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6 and 3, 6, 9. 2 into 2 like this. So it's 4 minus 4, 0. Or you take this 6, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 to the 12, 4 to the 12. So 12 minus 12 is 0. So by simply following the formula of ranking, we can say this matrix has a rank equal to 1 because 3 into 3 and 2 into 2 submatrices are all giving 0 as a value. Okay. Now please let me change the color. Okay. And the last video, as I can remember, I haven't done the 12 and 13 question. I think then I have done till 12 number question. Let me just check. Yes, I have done till 12. Okay, so I missed out that 13. Let's do the 13 number question once. So in the 13 number question, they have given P alpha beta and P square equal to I, then the correct statement among the following. So what is this? So simply we can't do anything. We have to find it. So now we have to check what we have. 1 is everywhere, alpha square is everywhere, beta gamma is everywhere. So what we have to do, we need to find all this stuff. How? So this is our P, this is P. So P is associated with P square equal to I. P square equal to I. So this implies if we just do the P square part, so if you just multiply again alpha, beta, gamma and minus alpha. So alpha into alpha, I'm just doing the multiplication alpha square plus beta gamma. Alpha beta minus alpha beta. And this one is alpha gamma minus alpha gamma. And the last part is alpha square plus beta gamma. Okay. Now if this thing is going like this, and that is equal to unit, so 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is perfectly 0. So alpha square plus beta gamma, these two are 0, and alpha square plus beta gamma is 0. So alpha square plus beta gamma equal to 1. So simply 1 minus alpha square minus beta gamma equal to 0 if you put everything in the RHS. Hence we can see that our D option matches with this equation. So option D is correct. So now we are proceeding to question number 14 I have done. 15. Okay, let me just clear the screen. Okay, so 14, you just please start reading. There I have asked you to find the inverse of the matrix. You know, by using a very advanced calculator like FX991ES, you can do the inverse directly. Okay, but unfortunately, if X991ES or ES plus kind of calculators are not allowed in actual science, so how are you going to do it? We're going to do it in the old school way. So first, find the determinant value, which will be 2, 6 into 2 minus 4, so 4, 2, 1. I hope you can do it. Okay, if you have any problem, you can see my basic matrix videos also. And adjoint of P, which will be the first these two left, so 4 minus 2. I've already calculated this portion, so now to save the video timing I'm just doing it. Okay, so adjoint of P is 1 by 5 into this, so 1 by 5, so where it is matching, 4 is matching 4, then -1 -1, these two are matching, then this is also 4, there's a high chance, so these two are wrong. Okay, so 15, yeah, D is our correct answer. Please cross check it very properly because they give the answers also relatively very close. Okay, now 16. It's given that log 1.5 equal to this, then find the value of this obtained by the linear interpolation by utilizing the value of this. And you can directly find the value. Remember that you can directly find the value using this calculator. But the thing is that the calculator will give you the exact value and they don't want it. They want you to use it. Although the value you calculate and the calculator value will be too close, but still not the exact one. So don't try to be too smart with it. Okay, so let me just do it. Log of this. Now log of 1 base c we know 0. So here we have 2 points. x0 comma y0 is 1 comma 0 and x1 comma y1 is 1.5 comma 0.405. So if this thing is happening, this thing is coming. If 1 is happening, then 0 is coming. So it's like the xy pattern. So the linear interpolation of 1.3. So for the interpolation part, we just write y equal to y0 x1 minus x, y1 x minus x0, x1 minus x0. That's it. So just put the value 0 plus 0.405, 1.3 minus 1, denominator 0.5. Just put the values and the answer you can get it as 0.243. So 0.243 is the answer in this case. Okay, sorry, my battery is low. Okay, so 0.243, so 16 answer is A. Now we're proceeding to the next answer. Just let me clear it up. Now this one is an interpolation based question, not a direct interpolation. They have asked you to find the value till the next possible cases. Okay, this one is a bit challenging one. 0.99 whole to the power 4. Remember that you can use it your calculator, you can find it very easily. Okay, so if you just use your calculator, 0.99 whole to the power 4. Okay, then what happens? I wanted to do it. Take some 1 minute time and pause the video simply. Okay, and see what is coming. Possibly you are getting this value, that is 0.9605961. That's the value you are getting. Okay, so the closest value is this and is actually 0.9606 to the 4 decimal places. So isn't it very easy? Just go to for the first, find the value. Most of the cases people go for this one, so that they first approximate it and then do it. So you just do it by a calculator and go for 4 decimal places. Okay, now next question is about the statistic segment. Now we are entering. I hope you have done your homework for the statistics. If you haven't, see my other videos as well that I have explained. So 5 students, the first question is a combination based question. 5 students are to be selected from a group of 10. So how can they be selected? 10C5. Is it like this? No. Students from a team such that 2 particular students are always included. So you have to select 10, say 5. But now already 2 have selected. So you have 8 people are only left. 2 have already selected. So here you have to select 2. Combination is still there. So 8C3. So the number of ways the scheme can be formed is simply 8C3, which is factorial 8, factorial 3, 5. No matter you have the calculator, you can calculate it at to be 56, and our option is C. Although it's a type of mathematical question. The next one is a probability. So box B1 contains 3 white, 5 red. Okay, that's our box 1. 3 white and 5 red. The box 2 contains 6 white and 4 red. A box is selected and outcome of the tossing of the coin P of the head is 2 by 3. That the box B1 is selected if the head appears B2 otherwise. A ball is drawn and at random. What is the probability that the ball is red? It's very simple. It's an so what we are finding red. So with respect to conditional probability, red given box 1 is this within to box 1, or red given box 2 with the probability of box 2. So now red in box 2 is simply 5 by 8. What is the probability box 1 will be selected? Simply 2 by 3. And this one is 4 by 10 and the other part is 1 by 3. Just calculate. This is 33 by 60. So here unfortunately none of these is the answer. Now this one is very tricky because most of the cases we seem to think that, whoa, is it happening? Is it the answer? So don't hesitate if you are confident about your sum. Okay. Now next one. Suppose E and F are two different events. P is this, PF is this. Which of the following is correct? Now independent. In order to be independent, remember that they are product. Okay. So let me just find P of E union F. That could be easier. Okay, union and intersection parts are always easier to find. So here P of E, and probability that at least one of them occurs is this. So P union F is 8 by 15 they have given. Okay, oh no, at least. So the of union F is this minus 1 by 15. So this one is 7 by 15. So P of union AF is 8 by 15. P of E intersection F complement in the third part is 1 by 5 into 2 by 3, so that is 2 by 15. And in the last case, if E and E are independent, in the probability neither of them will occur, that is P of union F whole complement. This portion is 4 by 5 into 2 by 3, that is 8 by 15. So now if you just proceed with that, this thing isn't coming, this thing isn't coming, this thing isn't coming. So the only possible answer is 2 by 15. So this is our correct answer, that is C. So in this kind of questions you need to calculate the 4 parts. Okay, although in ACET exam there isn't multiple option to be correct chance, there isn't any chance, but we still go with the cross-checking pattern. Okay, let me use a different color. The mean of the following distribution is 6, where P is unknown and the distribution has median mode, so we have to find the median and mode. So let me just find value and frequency. So this is the F, no, this is the F and this is the X. So all we need is summation of Fx. So this is 3 ones are 3, 16, 35, 36, 7p, 24 and 9. Just calculate, this will give you 123 plus 7p. That's it. Okay. Now the cumulative frequency, everything has been calculated and the mean is 7. So 123 plus 7p plus the frequency. So that is 3 plus 1, 4, 10, 17, 21, 22. So 22 plus p. So if this thing goes, this is coming 6. So just solve it, p equal to 9. If we get p equal to 9, then the total frequency, sum of the frequency is 31. The mode is the highest number of frequency, as p equal to 9, so mode becomes 7. And the median in this kind of, so mode is 7 is in 2 cases. So we still have to work hard, only A and C is being waived off. So is it 6 or 7? So if we just go for the median calculation, so how many values we get? We got 31, so 31 by 2, so 15.5. So it's simply the 16th observation we are going to look, and the 16th observation according to this structure is 1, 5, 19. So this observation will be simply 6. So median is the 16th observation. So in this case median equal to 6. So we can say that option B is the correct answer. Okay. Now next we are proceeding to our income question. Okay. Now the income of 100 families in a certain region are stored in a computer files. Okay. The income ranges from 10,000 per year to 42,000. So range is 42,500 minus 10,000. So we are looking for 32,500 as the range. By mistake, the highest income of the data set is recorded as 42510 extra 4,25,000. Which of the following statements regarding the effect of the mistake is true? The average income is overestimated by this 4250. No, it's not about the average income, otherwise it is not. The median income is correctly estimated. Now this one is acceptable. The median is overestimated, not at all, and the interquartile range is overestimated. No. And in fact, if you forget what is interquartile range, this is Q3 minus Q1. So it has nothing to do with this. So the only possible option to this is B. Okay. Now the next question is random variable x takes only two values. So what are the two values? 0 and 1 they are taking. With P of x equal to 0 equal to 0.3. Then the value of the expectation of this. Remember that expectation of a plus bx, if it is like this, so this has a pattern, that expectation of a is a constant, so it will be a itself, this is b outside, and this is like this. Okay, so expectation of 22 plus 17b is 22 plus 17 into expectation of b. That is the pattern we are looking for. So now if we solve the question over here, so what we have, this thing. So now we are going to put it expectation of x to the power 11, okay, is, okay, x only take two values 0 and 1, but x equals 0 is 0.3 chances. So just put it expectation of x equal to 1 into p of x equal to 1. Okay, so x equal to 1 has a chance 1 minus 0.3, so 0.7. So here the answer is, only one thing is 7, this is option D. Now going for the next question, 24. A random variable x has binomial distribution. Now binomial, one of my favorite. Binomial is applicable for two outcomes, like tossing of a coin, winning or losing a game, passing or failing an examination, or accepted or rejected with respect to a proposal. So with respect to this, we can see that NP, the mean is 4, so NP, and variance NPQ is 2.4. Till now it's easy. So the probability that x is positive. Now the probability that x is positive, so simply we have Q as 2.4 by 4, so this is 0.6, P will be 0.4, and N will be 10. So probability that x greater than equal to 1 is 1 minus 0.6 whole to the power 10. So that is only applicable here at C. Okay, now we are proceeding to our very next question. That is the question number 25. So here the random variable x has what distribution? This one is a Poisson distribution. How to write it? E to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x, x this, factorial. And where lambda equal to here the mean and also the variance. And this is also a main parameter. So the Poisson distribution with mean 2, so lambda equal to 2. The value of E, a long expression, is given. So here what we are going to do, this is nothing but summation of x into x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 into e to the power minus 2, 2 to the power x by x factorial, where 0 to infinity is the x's range. So just put it with respect to these values and we can calculate 4 to infinity, as there are 4 different values, 1, 2, 3, 4, so that will be counting 2 to the power x and 4 values will be gone, x minus 4 factorial. Putting it, you get it as 2 to the power 4, so this will be 16. So hence our 25 number question is done. Now the rest of the questions I will be doing in the next video. Hope to see you as an actuary very soon. Okay, well, Thanks for watching, and also subscribe. And if you have any queries, you can ask me anytime you want. Just WhatsApp, and me or my executives will obviously will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks a lot for watching.